Take a break with teachersub.com. Quality video lessons ready when you need them.
Why learn cursive? In our high-tech world, it might seem old-fashioned when we could just type or use voice-to-text. Should we lose traditional skills just for convenience? Think of never having homemade fresh bread just because we can buy a loaf. Imagine not knowing how to sew on a button because we only buy clothing at the store. Even if you never entirely write in cursive, mastering it means that you can read letters and appreciate this artful communication. American author Robert Greene said this, quote, "The future belongs to those who can learn more skills and combine them in creative ways," end quote. Did you know that cursive benefits cognitive development, reading and motor skills? The flowing motion of cursive letters stimulates brain synapses and improves eye-hand coordination. Cursive writing activates areas of the brain involved in thinking, language, and working memory. Our videos and worksheets will enable teachers and homeschoolers, tutors, and grandparents to provide fun and developmentally appropriate instruction to boost cursive writing skills, as well as supply you with expert guidance. You see, each lesson is teacher-created with clear step-by-step instructions that guide a student confidently through every stroke and every curve. Flexible learning. You can use these videos as structured classroom lessons or free time as an independent learning center. You can spark extra creativity with a cursive club. These videos will work perfectly for after-school groups, community centers, or even pen pal projects with older families and friends who'd love to get a cursive letter, and they can even read it. So if you are inspired to keep this timeless tradition alive, please like and subscribe to our channel. To purchase worksheets for these lessons, simply follow the link below, or you can get what you need and more at teachersub.com.